Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Fuzzy from Fuzzy Go Smiles here. Another in the box review. This time, another update set brought to us by RESKIT. They have provided me with a sample of this kit, and we'll be building it into the ICM OV-10A. So this time, it's the cockpit set with the wheels. We'll have a look at what this really looks like in the box. Now, I did an update on the cargo bay, and that blew my mind. The detail in it and the simplicity of assembly. It's just a good paint job and putting it together and fitting in the kit, and look outstanding. That's update sets should be like that. So let's have a look at this one and see if we have the same conclusion. All right, so here we have the box, and there you go. It's for the ICM kit. It says in cooperation with the company, so it's 3D printed. And it has the cockpit nose wheel and the two main gear bays as well. So we'll have a look inside, see what they've sent. All right, so again, instructions on the top as always, and a nice foam insert. Keep everything nice and neat. And we've got lots of stuff in this one. So we'll pull all this out. There's the instrument panels, the 3D instrument panels, all this. Look at all this stuff. Wow. Lots of good stuff. All right. And I'll put that aside. So up first is the, looks like the instrument panel and some other stuff. What do we got? Yep, there's instrument panel, maybe nose gear doors, and the back of the other instrument panel. So there's the front and there's the rear, and you see there's cabling and whatnot for that. And that looks fantastic. Nicely done. All right, and we'll have a look at this. Here are the two seats. Wow. Look at those. They are unbelievable. Look at the way the belts are laying. Like, that is so fantastic. I'm not a fan of photo etch seat belts because they're always so hard to make it look like they're drooping from gravity and all that. But when they're molded like that, like there's gaps underneath them. It's not like they're molded on, not like your traditional resin. These 3D printed sets are just blowing my mind. Like, unbelievable. Really nice. Those are going to look so good. Yeah, the tension in the seat covers and everything. Just beautiful. All right, now let's have a look at this. This is the two main gear sets that hang down from the engine pods on either side. I don't believe it. That is just mind-boggling. All the plumbing, all the detail, it's all one piece. Like, it's just, again, like their cargo set, it's, as long as the fit is good, and we'll get to that when we build this up. Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's just, all you need is a good paint job. Just painting. I like painting. So this is good for me. I find scratch building to be one of the hardest things to do, especially plumbing and stuff, with all the tabs and valves and whatnot. But that's unbelievable. Like even the brakes, just incredible. All right, I'm excited. Okay, we'll look at another. Here we have the gear doors. These look like the main gear doors. Yep. Again, full of detail. Look at the actuator arms on the... Oh, so nice. And guess what? There's no ejector pin marks to clean up because there's no ejector pins. One of the bane of a modeler's existence is ejector pin marks. Even on modern kits, some of them are just horrendously bad with ejector pin, but these are just, they get rid of that. That looks really nice. All that plumbing on the inside looks so good. There's still more. Don't go away. Still more. Now, here is, look at this cage. Isn't that beautifully protected? This is the cockpit tub. So let's have a look. You can see through all of that. That is, even in the front here, it's got some of the plumbing and all that. Wow. All the throttle levers. Wow. Look at that. That is just incredible. Look at the plumbing behind. Oh, wow. All the cabling for the instruments. That is absolutely gorgeous. And you can see the side panels are flat because they're going to be 3D decals for those. Oh, this is going to be so sweet. So sweet. All right. Still have more. Don't go away. There's still more to go. I got one little bag here I got to open up. I'm going to guess that these are delicate. Yeah, delicate little bits. It's hard to tell what's on. There's a couple of the flight sticks. Yep. Yeah. Oh, some other little greeblies and whatnot. But just beautiful. Looks like, oh yeah. I don't know what those mirrors or what. Yeah. Look at that. There's the front nose landing gear. Beautiful. Beautiful. But wait, there's more. You also get a set of resin wheels, the rubber parts. Right? Which is cool. And then to go in the rubber parts, you're looking, oh, hang on, there's no, what do you use the kit hubs for them? No. Think ResKit would do that to you? No. Take a look at these. Let's gotta get, I don't know if I gotta, anyway. Let me pop these out. I gotta split this open. All right. Here we go. There are the hubs for the wheels. That's sweet. So nice. So very, very, very nice. All right. One last kit part, and that is the 3D instrument panels, the decals. If I can get it open, bear with me. Ooh, that's sealed up good. There we go. Oh, and the metal struts. All right. So there's the Kelic 3D decals. Look at that. Look at the shine on the dials. That is so cool. So cool. Oh, that's awesome. They look really good. That's 48 scale, everyone. That's not 32nd. That's 48. That looks fantastic. And then there's another little set of decals for the seats, I think. And then there's a little bit of clear and some metal struts, probably for landing gear reinforcement, I imagine. But let's go on to the destructions and see what we have here. Again, it's a little folder, and on the front, got all the parts that you should have in the set. And there we show all the cockpit going together, and it's really simple, really simple. There's the decal instructions. That's where the 3D decals go. Excellent. Right? And then landing gear stuff. Did we miss a page? Yep, we did. There we go. So there's the engine pods, fuselage pods. Is that the engine pod? No, there's fuselage, bottom. So it all slides in. That's really, really convenient. There's no cutting involved in the cockpit part. And then the details for the canopy and HUDs. And then, yeah, look at that. Those main landing gear just go together. And look at that, they fit right in. They're supposed to fit right into the pods for the engine. So no cutting. That's pretty impressive. That is pretty impressive. Then there's the markings for the seats. Wow. I tell you, this is a nice set. This combined with the cargo set is going to make that OV-10. Here, I'll grab the OV-10. In case you don't know what an OV-10 looks like, that's what an OV-10 looks like. That's the A version. So, yeah. It's pretty cool. So, the engine pods in the cockpit, and then behind the cockpit is the that cargo bay set from earlier. So, yeah. This is going to build up into something really cool. I have the masking set for it, and the ICM matting, landing matting, put it on when it's all done. But anyway, my hat's off to ResKit. This kit they did provide to me as a sample, but it still blows my mind that they can do such detailed work and with such prolific, what's the word I'm looking for? They're so prolific in the amount of stuff that they put out. It's unbelievable. Thanks to ResKit. Please follow their YouTube channel. Follow them on Instagram. And if you want to help my channel out, like, subscribe, buy me a coffee if you want, because I love my coffee. And thanks for making it through to the end. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. We'll get this set going and see what it looks like when it's all built into the ICM kit. Anyway, that's it. Enough jibber jabber. Ciao for now.